Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your radio. So it's very simple. All you have to do is get two screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, get inside, make yourself comfortable and start. Also, one good thing is if you can get a butter knife instead of screwdriver, it will work better. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to open this. Well, we have to take this cover off, okay, right here. So as you can see, it comes off very easy, little by little. Don't force it. If you force it too much, it's gonna break. It's plastic. So I'm gonna put you guys here for a second and take the radio, the panel off, little by little. Just get it out. Now we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take Phillips screwdriver and remove 4 screws. Now we can get the radio out. Over here we have 2 connectors. I mean, we have actually 1 connector and 1 antenna. So to remove the connector, you have to press on the pin and remove it. So you press here on this side on this pin, so it's going to be on that side, and remove it. And the antenna should also come out easy by pressing this middle piece like this. Boom. That's it. Now you have your okay. So now you can get yourself another radio on eBay, for example, and put it back in same way. So for example, you get yourself the replacement radio. Again, connect antenna, connect the connector. Oh, you can, before you put the radio back in, you can start the car. Not start, but please just. As you can see, it works. Nice. So this, also check it before you put it back in. And if your radio works, you fixed your problem, just wiggle it in carefully, little by little. Should go in easy. Yep. Once it's all in, you have to put back in 4 screws. Where's the fourth one? You put in 4 screws and put the cover back on, and that's it. That's the whole procedure. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.